Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export video messages from your personal chats on the Telegram app for PC. With the new update, Telegram has made it easier than ever to back up and save exactly what you want, and I'll guide you through everything from start to finish. The first step is to open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines that open the main menu. Go ahead and click on them. From this menu, choose Settings. Inside the settings, select the Advanced option. This is where Telegram stores all the additional tools and features you can use for managing your data. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. Click on it, and a new window will pop up with different categories of information you can save from your account. Since you only want your video messages from personal chats, make sure to check the box for personal chats. Once you've selected personal chats, scroll further down until you see the option labeled Video Messages. Place a check mark next to it so Telegram knows you want only those files included in your export. After that, click on the Export button. Telegram will now process your request. Depending on how many video messages you have, this may take a little bit of time. Once the export is complete, you'll notice an option that says Show My Data. Click on it, and your saved video messages will appear, neatly organized and ready for you to access whenever you need them. That's all it takes. With just a few quick steps, you can export and save your video messages directly from your personal Telegram chats on PC. Whether you're organizing memories, keeping backups, or just want quick offline access, this update makes it easy to have your content on hand anytime. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow these steps the next time you need to back up your files. Thanks for watching.